Live chickens move on the conveyor toward the chamber. They enter the controlled atmosphere stunning chamber. Gas is introduced for a precise, humane stunning process. Live chickens move steadily on the conveyor towards the stunning chamber. As they enter, a controlled gas atmosphere induces a humane, precise stun. The chickens are immersed in a hot water bath to loosen feathers. Next, automated machines with rubber fingers
These pieces look good. Sensors confirm size and quality. Flagging this one for weight variance.
Sensors flag this one for size.
Checking texture now.
Looks good. Confirmed. Next batch. This piece is oversized. Flag it for trim.
Confirmed. Sensor data logged.
Next batch is clear. Good flow. On the quality control line, high-tech sensors and cameras inspect chicken pieces for size and quality. Workers provide manual checks, ensuring every piece meets strict expertise, guarantees consistent quality.
These pieces look good. Sensors confirm size and quality. Flagging this one for weight variance.
Sensors flag this one for size.
Checking texture now.
Looks good. Confirmed. Next batch. This piece is oversized. Flag it for trim.
Confirmed. Sensor data logged.
Next batch is clear. Good flow. On the quality control line, high-tech sensors and cameras inspect chicken pieces for size and quality. Workers provide manual checks, ensuring every piece meets strict expertise, guarantees consistent quality. Chicken pieces enter the automated breading system. The secret blend of 11 herbs and spices is applied as a fine powder. The chicken tumbles in rotating drums. This creates the signature crispy texture. The chicken is first coated in a wet batter. Next, it's dredged in seasoned flour, building a thick crust. Finally, excess flour is shaken off, leaving a perfect crispy layer. This chicken is amazing. Here, try some.
It's so crispy.
Your turn.
Best date ever.
Definitely.
This chicken looks amazing.
I know, right? I'm starving.
Let's dig in. This is
Best lunch ever.
birds.
Right.
This is so fries.
It is. So juicy, too.
Can I have more fries?
Of course, buddy. Pass the coleslaw.
This is the best.
This chicken is amazing.
So crispy and juicy.
the best.
I know, right?
Pass the sauce.
This is so fun.
This looks amazing. Here, try a piece.
So crispy and hot.
Your turn. I want to see that smile.
Date. I love this.
This is fresh. Yeah, and the sauce is awesome.
It's delicious. Don't forget your fries. Dude, this chicken is insane, right? So crispy. Sauce is dripping everywhere. Totally worth it. I'm grabbing another wing. Save some for me, man.
Here, let me help you hold it steady.
Thank you, Grandpa.
This is so tender.
I love it.
Good job, buddy. This is so good. And the salad is fresh. Yeah, fresh. I'm glad we came here.
So Grandpa.
It sure is, buddy. Here, let me get that for you.
Thanks, Grandpa.
You're welcome. Now let's have some more. This looks amazing. You first.
Let's share. So good.
Here, your turn.
So crispy and perfect.
I love sharing this with you. This chicken looks incredible. Perfect crunch.
Let's dig in. I'm starving. Wow. So crispy.
Best lunch break ever.